Hi there, Nicole Mender, licensed esthetician, owner of Savvy Skin Spa, and today let's talk about vacation skin. So I'm going on vacation next week, and I'm going to Mexico, and we're going to be on the beach, and sometimes people ask me what should they bring with them on vacation. So minimal. I will bring a cleanser, a moisturizer, an eye cream, and last but not least, sunblock. It's more of what you shouldn't bring, especially if you're going somewhere where you're going to be outside for extended periods of time or in hot weather, and if you happen to be traveling far distances on an airplane. You are not going to want to bring your dropper. If your product comes in a dropper, do not bring that, because the pressurization from the airplane will quickly loosen that top and you will arrive and your clothes will be wet unless you put it in a Ziploc like I always do. So you're going to want to leave anything in a dropper at home. You're also going to want to leave your benzoyl peroxide at home, especially if you're going to be in the sun. You're going to want to leave your retin-A at home, because retin-A and benzoyl peroxide are both photosensitivity ingredients, so you're more prone to getting burned by bringing those products with you. Enjoy your time, enjoy your vacation, but leave all those active products at home. So, recap: retin-A, benzoyl peroxide, glycolic, salicylic, anything that is a prescription grade. You're also going to want to read those as well. It probably says photosensitivity. So if you have any questions, let me know. The travel pack is always a good place to start. I know I will definitely be using that on my vacation. Take care.